In this video, I'll show you how you can use the free camera mode on Roblox. Now, as you can see, when I hold down my right click right now, it's just a normal camera. But if I press escape and go to settings and turn shift lock off, and then when I press shift P, I'm gonna go into the FreeCam mode. Now keep in mind, this only works if you have the permission to do it. That means you need to be either the developer or the developer needs to give you permission to do this. Now, once you're in this mode, you can use your WASD keys. You can hold down right click and you can do like this. E and Q to go up and down. And that's basically how this works. Now you can use your arrow keys up and down to make it faster and slower. As you can see now, it's a lot slower. And if I press my arrow key up a lot of times, it's going to be a lot faster. So that's basically how it works. You can zoom in and out with the scroll wheel, and this is how you can use it. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.